Make sales on autopilot. Make money while you sleep. You've probably heard these phrases like a million times online, but the question is, can it actually be done? Have you ever wondered why the top earners seem to make sales with total ease while everyone else struggles? It's because they understand the power of the sales funnel. There are a few things you need to have in every single sales funnel, and in this video, I'm going to cover 5 aspects you want to make sure that you have in every single sales funnel you create. So stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert, and welcome to this video. I'm super excited to have you here, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis, and I want to make sure that you get the updates. All right, so let's dive in. Let's go right to it. Let's talk about number 1. You need to make sure in your sales funnel that you have clarity on your audience. You need to know exactly who your audience is, what it is they need, what they struggle with, and how you can solve it. Is it men? Is it women? Is it a certain age range? Is it a certain demographic throughout the country? So take a few minutes, sit down, and figure that out. This is not something that really should take you a lot of time. It really should not take you days or even hours, really a good 15 minutes to 30 minutes to figure this out. Just think of it like this. You may have a product that everybody needs and can use. However, not everybody's going to buy your product. So having a very specific message to a very specific group of people will render better results than just speaking in a broad sense. Okay, so have clarity on your audience. Who is more inclined to want to buy your product or service? All right, so pillar number 2 of a high converting sales funnel is to make sure you identify the problem. So if you have an audience that needs more health, vitality, and energy, if you are selling a health and wellness product, then you want to make sure that you're speaking to what they want, not exactly what the features of your product are, but the benefits of it. So identify the problem. If people don't have enough energy, then guess what? You want to speak to that problem. Do you suffer with low energy? Well, imagine yourself having energy to go throughout the day where you don't even need a nap. So identifying the problem they have so that you can speak directly to it and then provide the solution is a very, very big part of having a high converting sales funnel. The more specific you are, the better results you're going to have. All right, the number 3 pillar that is crucially important for a high converting sales funnel is you've got to have social proof. Social proof is incredibly important when it comes to a high converting sales funnel. Because here's the thing, people like to know that they're not the only ones doing it. When they see other people that have purchased the product and they've gotten results with it, it's really what we call the bandwagon effect. And the bandwagon effect basically is when other people see other people doing it, they want to jump on the bandwagon. So if you have results with your product or service, make sure that you add those in there. So when you see testimonials, when you see screenshots of testimonials and products and services, those are a form of social proof. Even if you have a product or service where you haven't sold any, is if you have a course or a product or whatever it is that you're selling, what you can do is you can gift those products to somebody and tell them, I want you to go through this product. I want you to try it for 30 days, whatever it may be. But the only thing I ask you is after 30 days, if it works well for you, I'd like to get a testimonial from you. This is a great way to get social proof, and social proof is absolutely vital to a converting sales funnel. All right, so pillar number 4 of a high converting sales funnel, a risk-free guarantee. What you want to do is you want to take all of the risk off of the customer. So there's varying types of different guarantees that you can offer. Some people offer a 30-day, no questions asked guarantee. There are different types of offers out there. You can do a little bit of research to see what kind of guarantee you like to offer. But it really comes down to that a lot of times people will hesitate when they buy something because they don't want to take any risk. So anytime that you can take more risk off the customer and put it back on yourself, that is something that is going to help you create more sales and sell more product or service or whatever it is that you're promoting. Just think about this. How can I take all the risk as much as I can away from the customer so that they feel compelled to want to purchase? Because if you can do that, you can have a high converting sales funnel. And this is just one of the key pillars that make it work. All right, so pillar number 5, this one is crucial to having a high converting sales funnel, and that is a sense of urgency. It's been said that if people can procrastinate, they will. If you don't give them a reason to buy right now, they will procrastinate and they will not do it. You know, I have been in this industry for a long time in the online marketing world. I've done huge launches, which have done hundreds of thousands of dollars. And do you know when the most sales come in? At the very end, in the last 6 to 10 hours of the launch. Believe it or not, people procrastinate till the very end. You see, so you have to have a sense of urgency, but there's something very important. I want you to listen up, okay? Having a sense of urgency is very important. However, you do not want to abuse this. Do you understand? Because you can ruin your reputation very quickly if you use a sense of urgency and you do not mean it. If you are going to have a sale and it ends on such a day at midnight, then it better end that day at midnight. No questions asked. So these are the 5 pillars that you need to have a high converting sales funnel. Do you want to know how to make more automation work for you? Well, I put together a training for you. It's an 82-minute video, and it's a case study where I actually used automation in 4 days to make 182 sales and over $18,000 in revenue in only 4 days using complete automation. So if you look right down below this video, you look in the description of this video, you want to make sure that you get registered for that. Check it out. You can check out this training right away, and it'll go into detail and show you exactly what I did. It shows you the exact numbers, how I set it up, and most importantly, how you can duplicate exactly what I did. All right, so go ahead, click the link below, check it in the description, and guess what? We'll see you in the next video.